In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a customer from QuickBooks. By remove, QuickBooks specifically means making a customer inactive so they no longer appear when you create new invoices or sales forms. This is the cleanest way to tidy up your customer list without losing any historical data. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what changes when a customer is inactive, and share quick tips so you can do this confidently and avoid common mistakes. First, open QuickBooks in your browser and sign in to the correct company. If you manage more than one company, double-check you're in the right file before you make any changes. It's also a good idea to confirm you have permission to manage customers. Typically, company admins or users with sales permissions can do this. Take a moment to think about why you're removing the customer. If it's just to prevent new transactions, inactivating is exactly what you need, and your past records will remain intact. Next, head to the Customers area. You'll find it from the left side navigation, on the Sales page, then Customers. This page lists everyone you've sold to or tracked in the past. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to locate the exact customer quickly. You can search by name or company. Before you proceed, glance at the columns to confirm you've got the right person or business, especially if you have similar names. Accuracy here prevents changing the status of the wrong customer. On the row for the customer you want to remove, open the small drop-down menu on the right. Depending on your layout, it might look like an arrow, a caret, or an actions menu. Click it to reveal options specific to that customer. If you're unsure, hover your mouse and look for the label that mentions actions related to the customer. Again, pause briefly to confirm you're still on the correct row. This is a simple check that saves headaches later. Choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will show a confirmation message explaining what this does. Review it carefully. Making a customer inactive hides them from customer pickers, stops them from being selected in new transactions, and keeps all existing invoices, payments, and reports exactly as they are. If there are open balances or recurring templates tied to that customer, QuickBooks may display an alert. Read it and proceed only if you're comfortable. When you're ready, confirm the change. That's it. Your customer is now inactive and removed from your day-to-day lists, while your historical records remain safe and searchable in reports.